Hi everyone, I just quickly wanted to leave our impressions about the Sapa trekkings that we did. So we ended up doing two on 2 different days. So yesterday was the first one. We did the trek up north, first to Matcha and then to Tafin was the end point. It was super exhausting yesterday. It was quite an intense one. I don't think we really knew what to expect. It was quite something, but it was really like an authentic rural village experience. We loved it, although we were exhausted at the end of the day. So like we said before, it's been really foggy here in Sapa and it didn't get much better. So unfortunately we didn't get to see much of the landscape. It was super muddy. Thank God we actually changed from our hiking shoes to some like gummy boots because it was very much needed. We got stuck several times in the mud, so thank God we had these boots on. Also, we did the rice paddy trail, or how they call it, it's the buffalo trail. And you really go into the next to the rice paddies, but so not on an actual trail, so really in there. We also did some shortcuts to speed up the trail, I guess, and ended up in pathways that were quite something, but we had fun. We learned a lot. Our guide, our lovely guide Lam, her name was, from the Sapa sisters, told us a lot about her own life, about village life, traditions, rituals. So yeah, her English was amazing, which she learned by giving tours, and yeah, she told us so much, which was just an experience by itself already. And we made a little stop for lunch in her village because she is from Matcha village. So we had a lovely fried noodle lunch there, and yeah, after that it was still a small trekking, but more on the streets. So yeah, all in all, we really loved the day, but we were dead at the end. So today was our last day here in Sapa. We're leaving tomorrow on the way to Halong Bay, a full bus day. But yeah, today we did our second trekking here in Sapa. We went with another organization because we just wanted to try 2 different ones to just have another experience. So the one yesterday was with the Sapa sisters. And then today we went with Trekking Sapa Tours, and today was a male guide for our second trekking. We did the route south, so from Sapa Town we went to Linh Ho, then towards Lao Chai village, and ending up in Vang, where our guide is originally from. His name was Vang, and he was a super chill guy. We absolutely loved him. So if you ever think of doing a trekking and that exact trail, we can definitely recommend this organization for that one, and maybe ask for him specifically if you like. This one today he was more chiller, and the whole route was more like relaxed compared to the one yesterday. Also, he advised not to do the muddy buffalo path today because of the weather circumstances. So it was more the paved pathway. The first part, when we descended a little bit towards the valley, was a little bit like more adventurous, but we were just wearing our normal trekking shoes today, which was perfectly fine. We passed a lot of nice bamboo kind of forests first, but oh, were we so happy that after a while finally the fog was going away. So I made a little scream at the moment I saw my first rice paddies, like an actual view.
No, we cannot see because
they're working, eh?
Yeah, they kind of upload ride the scooter here.
Ah,
Yeah.
here?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see.
Yeah.
Crazy, come on.
Oh, there's a group maybe because I
They were scared?
Yeah, they have some, the group has some people, they are so old.
Ah, they can't go there.
They just told them,
Yeah.
bro, other country.
Okay. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Cá. Bo is beef.
You know this, you see this, don't get the blue, they try the wash, the honest water, right? After this I just put this, maybe like 10 minutes, I put for on this. Yeah, you get that, and the skin for long. the mouth was so we don't have a good sea, a wide sea.
For the
All the like the so,
yeah.
like the terrace.
Yeah. I see.
wait, show it to me again. Moritz gets high.
Eating the grass.
Cinnamon.
Yes, cinnamon. They make it. They burn it for in the room for smelling and for the mosquito. It's like this. We planting the cardamom in the forest because like in Vietnam we use a lot of cardamom because like we use a lot of hot pot.
Yeah. Yeah, when we saw the first clear kind of view of the rice paddies and the surroundings, we were so happy because yeah, that's what you come for here in Sapa. So yeah, amazing. It still had this mystical foggy vibe the whole day. It didn't go full on sunshine or anything, but we had a wonderful day of just hiking from one village to another, blessed with beautiful views. Also with Vang we had really many conversations about life here and all kinds of topics. So all guides here, the ones we tried out, let's say, are very knowledgeable, and yeah, you can ask them all kinds of questions and they will tell you a lot of their stories as well. Just like yesterday, we also made a stop for lunch. This one had a beautiful viewpoint of the rice fields, so it was a really scenic lunch we had. Also very delicious. We had a pho soup and also some spring rolls, fried ones, which were delicious. And after that it was still like let's say an hour and a half hike until the end point in Tavam. And along the way we encountered so many beautiful things, many little animals as well. Yeah, so many dogs that are running around here, so cute. Chickens, the buffaloes, so there's always something happening. Yeah, but we were done quite early, and now we're just chilling here because we're done after these two full-on hiking days. We're gonna get ready a little bit, packing, because we have a full travel day tomorrow, and we will still head out later today for our last dinner here in town. So yeah, next time you see us will probably be then in Halong Bay, which we look very forward to. A bit of sunshine again. So see you then. Bye-bye.
You can do that again. What do you have there? And with time.
I love how this steam comes out of the dish.
Somebody's happy.